This is Josiah again on each one teach one. Last time I had promised to help you install a Type 2 hypervisor, which in this case we're using a VMware Workstation 15 player setup. And I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I've already downloaded it. Without further ado, we'll go ahead and install an operating system on there. As you all know, Type 2 hypervisor requires that you have an operating system. It's not a bare metal installation, just like unlike ESSi and the rest of them. So this one is different. So you have to go to the process of installing uh, the VMware Workstation. This is not the same thing as Oracle or Camel, etc., etc. It's different. So Type 2 hypervisor, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get it done. While it's doing that, maybe we should find something else to do. It won't take that long. You will finally install it. Let me see if there's an ISO of VDI, PhD or VMDK or an ISO of any kind that we can use here. Let me see. Let me take a look at the download. I probably will have something here. The download. Um, so let's see if I have a .iso. ISO. Probably don't have any. VDI. There's no VDI here. Got VDI. Okay. Okay. I don't see anything here. I don't see anything related. Crypto. Alright. I didn't find anything there. Okay, I see VMware, but that's not what I'm looking for. Looking for something like a VMDK. So it's a VMDK here. Info asset date VMDK info. Added VMDK. VMDK. Oh, that's a virtual box. So that's not what we need. Try ISO. Okay. I think I saw something. We can use this, all this, all this. Alright guys, we can use either this. I think we'll go for this one. Yeah, I'll go for this one. That's an ISO. So we'll go for that one. So let's see how well this one is doing. Okay, it's about to be done. It'll be done in a bit. Mhm. All right, it's done here. Finished. I don't think I have any license for it, so let's see what happens. I'm not even ready to purchase any license for it. So, so let me see what I get here. So this is the one we want. We just want to go and open it. So I'm gonna use VMware for free for non-commercial use. Okay, we go with this one. Continue. And we go, thank you for using VM Player. Workstation Player is the most advanced. Okay, we go finish. And it pop up. Okay, this is what we want to see. Okay, so now we want to create a new VM. We go here and we click create a new VM. And we want to install a disk. No, we don't want to install a disk. We want to do this ISO, right? This ISO image. We already seen one in the download that I had downloaded a while back. Okay, virtual printer ISO. I don't want all these, so I'll go back to the download, and I'll still go to .ISO, and I'll find something. One or two things I'm gonna find. So I have this Windows 10 Enterprise. So I'm gonna go with this. All right, it's gonna install it. I don't have a product key or anything. It's gonna be interesting, but I just want to install it for you guys. Okay. So that's interesting. Okay. Let me see if I have a keygen somewhere, so I can install it. I don't have any key somewhere. Okay, let's try and install this. We're not gonna waste a lot of time. Okay, fine. We did that. This is optional. You can put the password if you want. I'm not gonna put it. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Virtual machine name. Let's just call it what it says. And 60 gig is too much. Maximum disk size, but it didn't say minimum, so I go with 20. I'll get rid of it later. Split virtual disk into multiple. Store virtual disk as a single file. So we go with that and we install it. I just want to straight out install it. We run it, and you see how it works. That's all I want to do. Nothing more. VM player, Workstation 15 player. That's what we're doing. We're installing that. We've already installed that. Now we're trying to install a guest on it, which in this case is Windows 10 Enterprise. That's what we're installing as a guest on it. All right, it's going. So it's creating the disk, which after we log in and look at it and you see it's working, I can just go ahead and, delete it and remove it from my hard disk. So hopefully everything will work just fine. All right, seems like it's working just fine. So this video is specifically to show you guys how to install the VMware Workstation 15 player, which is a Type 2 hypervisor, which requires an operating system to run. And then after you set it up, now you need to stand up a VM on it using the method that we use. We use a .iso, okay, to do it. And we are installing a guest operating system, Windows 10 Enterprise. That's what we've just installed. Yeah, hopefully it will work out for us and it'll be fun. So this here has nothing to do with that. That's just an image, my picture gallery. Okay. So following the software ability to download VMware tools for, okay, it's telling me to download VMware tools. I haven't done this in a long time. I'm pretty sure that once I download that, it will set up all, make sure most of the stuff are going to be stable. So I'm going to do that now and you'll see how that one goes. So we'll see how it goes. It's going to work out just fine. So as you can see, is setup is starting. See, setup is starting right now. It looks like it's the operating system that's coming up. But I had to install what I did install. So moving forward, it will be over before you know it. It will not take that long. So as you can see, it's like normally when you're installing a Windows operating system on a hard disk in a physical environment, it's more like it to see is going through the process, copying Windows files, getting this file ready for installation. It's gonna go through all of that, and it's gonna install updates as well, as long as you have internet connection. But I did not configure the internet connection while we're doing this, and it's gonna go through the processes and it's gonna complete. Now it's only doing about 1% installation, and I'll be right back, guys. Just give me a few minutes. Okay, what do we have here? There was a problem updating the software component. Try it again later. And contact the VM. Okay, okay. We're not gonna bother ourselves with that. We're not gonna take up data anymore. We're gonna go through the boot normally. Okay. All right. We're gonna go over here. Okay. Click the virtual screen to send keystrokes. Okay. Let's insert. All right. So let's go. EFI. I don't want to enter setup. I just want to reset. Okay, I want to boot normally. If I can, let me see if I can boot normally. I can't boot normally. So if you have a UF like you have an operating system in a CD or whatsoever, and an ISO to be precise, you can actually boot to it. But in this case, I don't know what the problem seems to be. Uh, so my problem here is I didn't really configure the network. So that's my problem. So I'll go and fix it by stopping this first. Instead of suspending, I'll just stop it completely. Okay, I'll go here and I'll shut down the guest. And I'll go back to, okay, shut down. So let's go back, bring it back up. Bring it back up there. VM player, right? Okay, this is here. I'm going to open. Once we open it, it's going to have something on there. Okay, now we have something on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. But we're not going to do anything else but go ahead on and configure the network. So I'm going to go to edit virtual machine settings. I'm going to NAT the network so that we'll be sharing the same IP address. Actually, it looks like it's NATed. Use share the host IP address. Okay. Specific virtual network. Okay. Host only. A private network shared with the host. Maybe I should do a bridge. Okay. Maybe I should do a bridge. Alright. Okay, so okay on that one. So the NAT didn't work for me. I guess if I do this one, it should be able to work for me. IP address, MAC address is shown there. Maybe I want to generate a new one. Hopefully, it works just fine. Okay, we did generate a new one. So replicate physical network connection state. Okay, let's do that. We say okay, and we start it up again. Maybe this time, hopefully, it will work. Virtual device will start. So I don't even know. I wasn't here when it completely ran through. I wasn't sure if it was effective, if was the install was successful. But let's see. All right, let's see. So I'm gonna say remind me later for this, just to make sure that we get where we're going. Hopefully, we're gonna be good. Looks like we're gonna be in good hands. So setup is starting. If it's saying setup is starting, that means that setup didn't go well. First time. It means the setup did not go well the first time. Exactly. Didn't go at the first time. Remember, I was running the update for the VMware tool at the same time. And now I'm not doing that. Let's see how it goes this time. This one's gonna take forever, man. Shoot. So basically, this is how you install it. If all goes well, you should be able to have an operating system running effectively. So I was checking the update for the VMware tools at the same time, and the configuration for the network might have been wrong. But believe you me, if all goes well, you should be fine. I'll stop this video here, um, and that will be it. Hello? Yeah, how you doing? I'm doing great. My son, he's okay. Yeah, I was in the middle of making a video. What kind of film is it? Sure, why not? Just send me the information. I will find it. You're welcome. Okay, bye bye. Okay, this one is 24. I will go back here. So it seems like everything's working well right now. As you can see, getting devices ready. We're gonna be successful on this try. And I hope you learned something from it. So as you can see, we were able to make it. It seems like we're in. Okay. Getting things ready, please don't turn the PC off. So when you see this, it's telling you that you were successful in getting the guest OS to come up. Okay, so I don't know what else to show you, but we've successfully done it. We're able to get the Windows 10 on the host, which is a Type 2 hypervisor. In this case, it's VMware VM Workstation 15 player. That's what we've used. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. And this is Josiah again on Each One Teach One. I'm signing off. This is a part of our program in the IT Foundation and AWS Cloud Training, codenamed IFACT. So this is the video I'm making to show that you can do the same thing that you did with VirtualBox using VMware Workstation 15 player. Take care now and enjoy your day.